Hi guys, this is Richard. I'm giving a little tutorial on how we do TOEFL here at Lotto, just as a simple way for you to get into it if you've never done it before. So on our calendar, I basically would use 1 week for each skill. So like a week for listening, a week for reading, a week for speaking, and a week for writing, just to kind of keep it simple. That's how I would use it, and then break it down into skills. So jumping into the book, for example, you start off with reading, and there's a bunch of different skills. So I do about a skill or two a day, I would say, depending on how fast you want to go. I would do 2 skills a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can intersperse mini tests, and then, of course, the complete tests. That'll get you through the whole thing. So that's how I would do it. I would do like an intro day, and then the next day I would do reading, skill 1 and 2. The day after that, skill 3 and 4. The day after that, skill 5 and 6. The day after that, skill 7 and 8. And that would take you through like the first week. And if you want, you can add from the computer stuff a mini test. And I can show you how to do that, but that's what I would do it. And then after that, you jump into listening, and I would do listening skill 1 and 2, listening skill 3 and 4, listening skill 5 and 6. Probably throw a mini test in there as well, and then that should take you to sort of the midterm, and then you can give them the complete test. And then for the second half, I do speaking skill. Well, I break that down into basically the paired choice questions, and then just the free response questions. And then I'd probably throw in a mini test in the third week as well. And I'd have just a day where they ask each other practice questions back and forth. And then the final week would be writing. So you can kind of introduce outlining and editing, and then have a day where they just write essays back to back to back to back. If you need more content, throw in a mini test in there as well, and then you have the complete test as a final test, and that'll be like the final exam. That should take you through the whole thing as sort of a skeleton outline of the course.